Hi guys, we are back with our review of Bigg Boss episode of last night. A lot happened on the show. To begin with, the celebs are back being the Maliks and the commoners are their servants. But that's not all that happened. Well, to begin with, Swamiyam got a jacuzzi bath, Bani got hit in her stomach by a knife, and a lot more. Stay with us and we'll let you know what happened. So tell me, Arushi, what was one thing that stood out for you yesterday?
One main which actually caught my attention was what happened between Lokesh and Rohan, and then Swami lashing out at both of them.
So what happened was there was this task and Rohan took Lokesh near the swimming pool so that he could capture her according to the secret task which was given by Bigg Boss. But what happened was that they fell in the pool, somebody pushed them, and then Swami Om, being Swami Om, again made a very misogynist, very sexist comment. I don't know how long we'll have to hear all of this, because I think Bigg Boss should take a call on this. Honestly.
Definitely he should, because I suppose this is third or fourth time that he's talking about girls in a bad way.
And he called her characterless, which is not on, absolutely
Definitely
not on
not.
national television.
Then I find even his jacuzzi bath, it was weird.
It was weird. It's not. It doesn't give you a good
and
feeling.
Then
even though it's part of a task.
Even if they are savers, they are not supposed to help him in the bath.
Yeah. And why Bigg Boss wanted only the women to help him with the task? It could have been any man who would be giving him the bath.
They could have pictured, or even they would have photographed them, men helping Swami.
Yeah, Swami Om. So exactly what Bigg Boss is trying to do is basically build up all the gossip so that the show can have all the TRPs that it so wants. But the same thing happened when Manu, this one, Mona Lisa was supposed to kiss Manu. You know exactly what Bigg Boss is trying to do there.
Yeah, that is only creating controversies and adding spice to the show. That's all that is happening in the Bigg Boss house.
Do you honestly think that spice is being added? Because there's a lot of noise. But one particular thing, one that standout thing which should make Bigg Boss is still to come out. So you hear a lot of fights all the time, and practically everybody's fighting everybody.
Yeah, so it is because I suppose that they know that fight will get them TRP, but they're not understanding that nobody is able to hear what they are saying.
Exactly, there is just too much noise.
Yeah.
So Bigg Boss, this message goes out for you. Give us that one standout thing which makes the show, which makes us come back to the show night after night. As of now, too much noise and too little substance. Thank you.